this is something that we've all been really excited about since the groups came out and since, the campaign has been scheduled. So, it's the first one, it's a toughie, it's a big one, and I think that makes it even more exciting.
You touched on it then, it's a tough opener. What can you expect from Austria?
I've never previously played against them, but Jane and the staff have done a great job of getting information about them and preparing us in every possible way. So we know about them. They're going to be a good team. They're going to cause us problems. There's no doubt about that. The recent results have been great. So but I think for us it's just we have to focus on us and focus on what we do well, and if we can do that, then we can get a result. Preparation's been great. I think like I said, Jane and the staff have really covered all angles and all bases really, and really given us a lot of information, and it's up to us to take that information on board and play, and I think that we've got a good group and a group that can take it on board and can do what we need to do to get a result. The core of us have been together for a long time, which is always a positive thing, and then Jane has brought in new players, which again is a really good thing for us. And I think from the point of view where we've been together, it just when you do have that core and that stability, kind of your base is a good one, and then you build off of that. And we've done well previously, and now it's time to really push on again. And I think with the, like I said, with the squad now that we've got now, it really is a good one. It's a really good mixture, and I think that will prove to be very successful.
I mean, there's some tough fixtures coming up. Norway's next, but are there any games you're really relishing?
This one, for me, I think this one is I would say, a really, really big one, and it's away as well. And so I think from all aspects of starting a campaign well and getting a good result away from home and bringing it back, then everyone knows how it works now. The top two go through, and so for me this is the big one, and this is the one that, since the schedule's come out, the one that I personally have been the most excited for.